Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanatic official videos. Today I'm talking about Amazy, and I've talked about the project before, the overall project, what's good about it, and about the IDO participation and the listing. Now I'm going to talk about in this video more about the app that's already been out for over a month. And I've used it actually personally and went through how it works. And based on that, I'm just going to share my experience with you. Also, I have a few activation codes, which if you get in early, you can get the activation code and join in this awesome project for buying one of the NFTs and start, walking every day for earning mechanism. So let's jump into it very quickly. Amazy has the application both on iOS and Android. So you could go to the website on Amazy and .io, and based on that you can go and download the application that it's suitable for your device, if it's iOS or if it's on Android. Now, in terms of the earning, you have to, once you activate it, so the first step is to install the application. Then the next step is you have to activate the account with an activation code. The activation code, there are many different ways to get it. One of the ways is they have a Telegram bot. The Telegram bot is called @AmazyCodeBot. I'm going to put the link down in the description as well. The code comes every now and then if you're having the bot activated and message the bot. And every hour or so, they'll send the code. And if you're early, you'll get that code. So you can start using the application on your device. And other thing you can do is ask your friends, because if you hold the NFTs after a while of using, you get a code to share. Or you can watch my video, and every now and then I'll get around 10 this time, but I'm going to get another 10 if there's demand to share with you. So that's the other way, because this is a very social and influencer driven project. Once you install the application, create your profile, and you have a profile like here, and also activate it on your phone, then you need to buy one of the NFTs or one of the boxes. So the boxes basically are random. So based on the probability of what's going to be there, you have a chance maybe to get a common or uncommon, or rare item. So they have two types of boxes. They have the common box and uncommon box. So this is the common box. In the cheapest one is 0.95 BNB. And the price of BNB right now is, let's see, probably, I don't know, $250, but let's just convert it to USDC for a more accurate price prediction for you. So 1 BNB is 294. Okay, so 0.95 would give you a price of 275, 280 to buy one of these. And this is the common box. Based on the common box, you have 94% of those, and then there's a chance that you get a hiker, ranger, sprinter, or coacher, and that's gonna basically be one of the items that you get. If you get ranger, it's 1 to 6 kilometer, the speed that's more walking. Hiker is more hiking and jogging. Coacher is more exercise. It can go from 1 all the way to 20. Sprinter is for people who are more exercising and running. I personally, I'll show you what I have actually. Of course, coacher is good because you can choose the speed you have. Now, once you buy the NFT, you can start using the app, you can start walking and running, and you can basically start enjoying the application. Now, for this to start, I actually have some guides for you, and I'll show you what I have. So if you look at the items that I have, for example, mine, I've got 2 of them. I've got a common ranger one. And remember, the ranger one is giving you a speed of 1 to 6 kilometers, which means you cannot go above or below this speed when you're walking. And it has level 7. So I upgraded the level to level 7 because you can go higher level based on the level that you have. So I can upgrade to level 8, for example, now based on the AMT token. AZY token is the Amazy token that's more governance. AMT is the token that you earn in the game, in the application, and you can use it to upgrade as well. So this is my common ranger, level 7, and these are the performance, 23, performance being the amount you can earn more and more. And durability is important for you because it protects the condition. Every time you walk, the condition can go a bit lower and lower. For example, might go to 98 and you need to repair, and the repair is why durability is important. So you spend less money to repair, and the repair cost is coming from your token actually. So this is my common ranger, and then I've got the uncommon ranger, which is coming from those more expensive NFTs, NFT boxes, and for those you need to pay around, let's see, uncommon, I think you need to pay around 3.4 BNB. So, you know, that's like $750 to get one of those, and there's only one rare, so that's why it's very expensive. But as I was saying, this one is a uncommon ranger, same speed, but performance is 3 times higher. Durability is much higher, and condition is the same. It's level 10. You can also use this for minting. So if you get enough, you can choose a second sneaker, and when you choose the second sneaker, you decide to proceed and confirm, and then you can mint. This is expensive because I have a common and uncommon. Common and common you could have for 500 AMT and 500 AZY. But for this one, let's say if you want to do an uncommon and common to get probably an uncommon or a good one, then yeah, see, you'll get a 50% chance of uncommon. So that's why it's more expensive, you know, and it's 3 BNB. So that's why 750 AMT is around $325, and 500 AZY is another $50. So you need to spend $400 to mint one for this one. Whereas in the normal case, it's $250 to mint one AZY. Now, I've also taken some pictures as I was walking and also video. So I'm going to also share that with you on how it looks like. So here I've got the common one. Let me share the right picture. So I've got the map here that shows where did I go based on the application. I think it's better if I just share it from here. So yeah, here you can see I've had the Ranger one, and the Ranger one goes from the speed of 1 to 48. So for my common one, I had the level to be all the way to 48. And also, if you come to the video that I've developed as well for this project, you can see that when you use the application, in the application here, let's go back. So in the application here, this is my ranger that's uncommon. For the uncommon ranger, I have the level to be around level 10. And this is the amount of maximum token you can earn per day. So the maximum token I can earn per day for this is around 48 tokens in AMT. And for energy bar, I have 3. So I've got 3 energy bars. And because I have 2 NFTs, I'll get 3 energy bars. If you have 1 NFT shoes or sneakers, you have 2 energy bars. So I've got 3 energy bars, and with this shoe, I can earn maximum of 48 per day. I cannot use more, and every 5-6 hours you get refreshed. This is the second one. As you can see, this one is level 7. The earning potential is less, and I've compared them both. And actually, I try to show you how it works. So basically, with the walking one, you need to make sure your speed when you're walking is between 1 to 6 kilometers. If you go over, it gives you that red arrow that just showed you, because you should not walk faster than that based on the type of shoe you have. You need to keep it between 1 to 6 kilometers. And as you can see, it's showing, you know, how much I'm walking and the speed and everything, and also the earning potential. So I'm just going to skip a bit more. So based on the earning potential that I have, I've just walked, as you can see, I've just walked around 1 for 1 minute of walking, I get 1 AMT, and this takes 1 energy point. So that means for 30 energy points, I get 30 AMT. But that's not the case if I'm using the other one, because with the other one, which I was going to show you here. So this is my level 10 one. With the level 10 one, I'll get 1 per energy bar. And that's why when you want to go for example, walking for 30 energy bars, you'll get 30 AMT. But if you go for the less common one, the more common one, sorry, you'll get to use 0.7, I think, and 0.7 gives you 18. So if I compare that both NFT shoes that I have over here, I have a common ranger and the uncommon ranger. With uncommon ranger, you get 3 bars. 3 bars giving you around a 15-minute walk. For the 15 minutes walk, I'll get 1 per energy bar, 0.1 of an energy bar, giving me 30 AMT tokens. Whereas with the common one, I'll get for the same walk, I'll get around 18. For the repair cost for these, the repair cost is going to be 20% of the cost of the total walk that you did. So for example, if I've earned 30 from a walk in 1 day, because it takes a day to recharge the whole three energy bars that I have, then that one gives me 30 minus 6, 24 net AMT I've earned for that day, because 6 goes to repair the condition from, for example, 97 to 100. Once you start earning, then as I said, you have the option to mint or you could claim. So for example, this is my profile. So you go here, you get your inventory, and then you come to your profile and you can claim. So I'm going to claim, for example, my token. I've earned 105, and that's for 5 days of walking. And I claim here my AMTs. So you can do it on your desktop. Basically, you're connecting your wallet, your MetaMask or whatever wallet you use, and connect it to this application on the go.amazy.io. Go to your profile. I've claimed it. Now to prove to you that I can make actual, money from this, I can now convert this to USDC. So 1 AMT is around 52 cents. So if I convert this now, my 105 AMT becomes 56 USDC. So for 5 days, the earning for this becomes 56 USDC, right? With that uncommon one. 24 more, yeah, for 4 days. For 4 days, the earning is 56 USDC, which is around $15 a day after repair costs and everything else. For this one, it would give you probably $9 to $10 USDC. So the earning mechanism for this is quite different because it's a common one. But obviously you have to pay 2 to 3 times more for the NFT. So I recommend you to start with the more basic NFT, learn how to work, how to use the application. And when you have a better one, you can then go and buy a better NFT and sneaker. And for the sneakers, you have 2 options. Obviously, you could just buy it here, which is a good option to start with because the box might give you, for example, hiker. And with hiker, for example, you don't want to run or something. So if you want just a ranger or something, you can always come here and filter by the type you want. Obviously, the better the performance aspect, the more expensive. And some of them are shoe minted. If they are shoe minted, means you can, to mint the second time, you need to spend more money. So basically, you can choose based on the need you have. And once you use one to start making money and making, get your return on investment, then you can decide you want to cash out the rest or you want to mint more for that, for example. So this is the quick guide on how to use this. Make sure you you read the description because I'm going to share 10 codes. Make sure you like and subscribe this video as well. And if you have any other question about how to use Amazy, let me know and I'm more than happy to share that with you. Thanks for watching this video and I hope to see you next time.